Hello, good morning. Welcome to Icon Info System helping series. Today I'm going to discuss about this doorknob, which is loose right now, and it needs time to time maintenance. This is the knob. I wanted to show you clearly because of too much. This is Kwikset deadbolt, keyless. Now, if you want to open this type of knob, what you do is you basically go behind the door. And this is the knob. So I just wanted to get a nice picture. That's why I closed down this door. What you need is, for this type of project, you need this Allen key and this screwdriver and one flat screwdriver. So what you do is you basically go behind this doorknob and pry it open. So, and right now I can't open it because I loosened it already with the Allen key. But I just wanted to show you because there's no video available. No videos are available on YouTube or Google to help out anyone who will go through this problem, either to replace this deadbolt or do a maintenance. So this one you need to pry open with the flat screw. And this part, if you have to open it, you use the Allen key like this. Let me get up good pictures. Go behind this lock. There's no video so far anywhere in the world that shows how to open this knob. So there's a little screw behind it. Let me see if I can show you the picture. It's right there, right here in between, behind this knob. You use the Allen key and then you just unscrew this. I already did it, and this part will come out like this. So when you have this part out, now it's so easy to work on the screw because this is already loosened. I already use the flat screw to take this out. Now, with all that said, you have this open area. These screws were loosened. I'm just gonna tighten it. If you don't tighten it time to time, yearly basis, what will happen is it'll break, and then you have to replace the whole door. I mean, not the whole door, but the whole key set. So this is Kwikset. That's the manufacturer name, and this is the deadbolt. So you tighten it with these screw like this, and that's it. So I was looking all over YouTube and Google. I couldn't find no help at all, but I had to figure it out myself. So this is the way you should do, and I did this smart key myself. It's very easy also. If I get a chance, I will show you how to do that also. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.